Welcome to online classes day 2 session of file handling using Python. So now in last class we have seen what is file handling and what is the example of files and what are the various types of files and what is file, etc. So now we are going to see what are the different modes are there to open file and read file and write and append file. So in file handling Python we have 4 different modes. The 4 modes are X mode, W mode, A mode and R mode. So here X mode is useful to create a file. So whenever we want to create a new file, then it will useful to create a new file. So X mode will create a new file. If file does not exist, it will create file when it's not exist. If it is file is exists, then it will give an error. So X mode, what does it do? If file exists, then it will give an error. If file does not exist, it will create a file. And W mode is useful to write files. So it will useful to write files. If file not exist, it will create file and as well as it will write the file. So first it will create the file and then it will write the content into the file. If file exists, it will write into the existing file. It will write into the existing file. And thereafter we have append mode. So append mode, what does it do? If file does not exist, then it will create file first and then it will write the content into that file. If file exists, then it will write the content into that file. Now you may get one doubt. So what is the difference between W mode and A mode? W mode is the write mode and A mode is the append mode. Whenever we have these two modes, both the modes are doing the same job is called writing. But here what will happen? The write mode will write the data when file is empty. If file contains some data previously, that previous data will be overwritten. That means the previous data will be overwritten by the new data. So that means previous data will get deleted. But here what will happen? The previous data will be available same and you will append the data to the existing file. So that means previous data will not get loose. So that's the usage of append mode. Now let's have the R. R stands for read mode. So read mode in the sense, if file does not exist, it will directly give an error called file is not available to read. If file exists, then it will read the content from that file. Read content from that file. So these are the 4 modes. And apart from these 4 modes, we have 3 special modes. Those modes we can call it as a W plus, comma, A plus, comma, R plus. These 3 modes, what does it do? It all the plus will be useful to read and write. These modes will be useful to read and write. Both the purposes you can use these modes. So W plus, A plus and R plus will be useful to read the content from the file and write the content from the file. And this read and write will follow these rules, or obviously. And these are the 4 different modes. And now this which type of files we are going to read. So by default, it will read and write the textual files. Text files. If you want to read binary files, then you need to write an extension called B. So that means WB. So it will write binary files. And we can have a RB. That means read binary. So by default, it will read and write textual files. So textual file is the default. Default mode is the textual file. And B is useful to binary files. So as we are beginners in our PUC 2, so we are not going to cover these binary files. We are just learning about the textual files. Reading and writing of the textual files. So reading and writing will be written in this format of the textual files. So WT write text or RT will be read text. So here WT and RT both are equivalent to W. W is equivalent to WT and R is equivalent to RT because T is a default mode in the file format, either text or binary. So if you want to specifically wants to read text or binary, so then text is default. If you want to specifically read binary file, then you need to add an extension called B. So WB or RB for the binary file, and W or WT both are equal to the textual files, and R is equal to RT, both are equal for the reading the textual file, and this W is reading the write files. So this is all about 4 different types of modes.